is approximately 1000 times. 1000 is code. But nobody will ask the code. But flowchart they will explain how it is done. And the sir will tell you what are the things are, how to write the code and what is the logic behind it. Everything he will explain. So while explaining sir to you, okay, code, we'll take a video. That video is given to you. Okay, whenever you see, you can listen outside again.
That will be good. Sir, if we attach the bulb, that AC bulb, can it show variation?
Yeah, definitely. Intensity is going to vary. Incandescent bulb, filament bulb.
Yeah, that's what
That's called a dimmer, light dimmer. It's going to be down and light.
Yeah.
Same thing you can connect here. That's enough.